What's going on, amazing people? OMG, I'm so excited to be back. You see it, you see it, you see it. Here we are, Drink to Shrink with Miss Jackie. OMG. My name is Jacqueline Price, and I'm back with another quick video. I want to tell you guys I joined the Drink to Shrink movement, and it is absolutely amazing. This you're seeing right here is my Facebook group. Yes, yes, yes. And if you need to lose weight, if you want to lose some extra pounds, OMG, hit me up. Oh my goodness. The link is going to be down below. You can join my Facebook group. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any amazing videos. OMG, this is going to be amazing because, like, what I know to be true is that most of the like right now, a lot of us are at home. We're stuck at home. We're not moving as much. We're not getting out as much because we're trying to stay safe. And so we may have gotten a little fluffy, but I have the solution. This amazing juice right here, OMG. You want to go to my website, bestdrink2shrink.com. Best, B-E-S-T, drink, D-R-I-N-K, 2, the number 2, shrink.com. Go to my website. This is my Facebook group. This is my Facebook group, guys. And if you want to be a distributor, hit me up because I just started last month and I earned over $1,000. It's like about $1,100 with this movement is what I've earned so far. And I just got started, and it just is amazing to be able to help so many people. Um, you know, snatch themselves back, get back to looking really, really nice. Look at that. I'm going to just show you. And these are the drops. Those drops right there, I started those drops today. The Fat Blaster drops. So if you need some special help, got some stubborn pounds that don't want to go to weight, that won't release, those drops are what you need. So I'm just going to stroll through here. Drinking 1 gallon of Drink to Shrink formula will completely change your life. Yes. Do you feel tired? Don't use the bathroom often? The Drink to Shrink formula is for you. Who needs this? So guys, if you need Drink to Shrink, I can ship it to you. I can ship all over the United States. I even have a distributor in Nigeria. I mean, it's worldwide. People are changing their lives. Drink to Shrink is transforming your life. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. It's not difficult to make. You know what I'm saying? Um, and because of COVID-19, I'm not really making it for people, but I can show you how to make your own. It's very, very simple. Can you see yourself 20 pounds lighter? How would it make you feel? How would that make you feel? If you want to get 20 pounds lighter, get a head start before the New Year's. Yes, yes, get your Drink to Shrink. This is my Facebook group. I'm just showing different testimonials, different transformations of how people have been transformed by using our amazing Drink to Shrink formula. Go to my website, bestdrink2shrink.com, bestdrink2shrink.com, and I'm just showing you different people inside of here. And you know what? If you want to be, look at it. This stuff is so good. Losing weight never tasted so good. I made the pineapple, and OMG, it is amazing. It's just amazing. It's amazing. People want to know what's in it. Well, there's wonderful herbs in it. There's 9 herbs inside of the drink. Everything is all natural. It's good for you. It's going to help you clear out that middle section. It's going to help you get rid of all the gunk inside. Let me get that out of the way. So it's going to help you lose 5 pounds in 5 days. That's what it's going to do. And if you continue, you're going to need more Drink to Shrink so you can get rid of all the other gunk inside of you. I'm not going to say that word, but most of us are we're full of Okay? Look at her amazing transformation. June 12th to June 20th. Wow. Drink2Shrink and the Fat Blaster drops. Yes, absolutely amazing. Guys, if you want to be a distributor, if you want the Drink2Shrink, if you want to be a part of the movement, if you just want to transform your own body, get with me. Go to my website, bestdrink2shrink.com. I'm going to put it down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to click the website. I'm going to have my group link down there so you can get in the group, so you can find out what's going on, be a part of my group so that you can get the information. We give you a meal plan. We give you all kinds of tips to help you get to shrink it and get your body back. Get ahead on those goals that you have set before the new year. And this, I just wanted to, make sure that I came on here and shared this with you. I'm so excited about this. This, guys, is going to be something transformational. We're going to be pushing this all the way through into 2021. It's going to be amazing. 2021 is going to be amazing. You're going to meet your weight loss goals. You're going to be able to meet your financial goals with this opportunity and with this drink. Be sure to go to my website. Be sure to subscribe, like, share the video. All right? Again, this has been Jacqueline Price coming to you with this Drink2Shrink movement video. Guys, don't get left out of this. Get your health back in order. And I'll talk to you on the next video.